Good evening, everyone. Just a quick video to explain the sounds of the Irish spellings this week. So this week we're doing the shavus, which is if you see a H in the middle of a word or a H after a letter, it basically softens it. Shavu means softening. So the ones we're covering this week are PH, or P shavu, P shave. Which goes to the F in Irish, which is no teeth. It's just a or the BH goes to the V in Irish, which again no teeth, but it's protruded if it's broad, and it's slightly rounded and conic. So it's W. And at the back of the throat, if it's a slender, so it's and the MH makes the exact same sound, which is handy. The next one is the F shave, so the F with the H, and that makes no sound at all, so that's why that's there. And the SH just makes the H sound, so the S becomes silent. Okay, so hopefully that'll be clear when I go through the spellings. First one, and also because I have to have words that have the shavu, and the shavu has a grammatical reason for it being there. So the easiest way was mo, do, and a. So mine, yours, and his, just to make that I have to use the shavu with the word. And a with a shavu is his, a with no shavu would be hers. So it's an important distinction. So anyway, mo, fós, my passport, the, Phoebe, your pipe, a, wambo, his bamboo, mo, they, my girl or woman, and then do, wadra, your dog, a, vila, his 1,000, and then mo, oson, my sapling or little plant. And the last three, the, if, your fife, so the fluty thing, a, hus, so his break, and mo, Sheila, so my Sheila, the woman's name, my Sheila. Okay, I hope that helps, and that's a bit quicker than normal. So any questions, just drop me a message. Have a lovely evening. Sána bhaile.